In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form feature in Jira Work Management. To get started, open Jira Work Management and go into the project where you want to build your form. This is important because forms are created and managed at the project level, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right workspace before you begin. Once you're inside the correct project, take a quick look at the sidebar on the left. From there, click Forms. If you don't see forms listed in the sidebar, don't worry. That usually just means the feature hasn't been turned on yet for that project. In that case, go to Project Settings, then Open Features and enable Forms. After that, return to your project area and you should now be able to access it. Once Forms is available, click Create Form to begin building a new one. Jira will ask you to enter a name for your form, so choose something clear and specific that reflects its purpose. After naming it, you'll choose how you want to start. You can begin with a blank form if you want full control over the layout and content, or you can use a template if you want a faster starting point. When you've made your choice, click Create. Now it's time to build out the form itself. You can drag and drop fields into the form layout, which makes the process very visual and easy to adjust. Add the field types that fit the kind of information you need to collect, such as short text for brief answers, long text for detailed responses, drop-down choices for controlled selections, checkboxes for multiple options, date fields for scheduling, and attachments if users need to upload files. As you add fields, arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for the person filling out the form. Next, customize the settings for each field. Select a field to adjust details like the field name, whether it should be required, any help text you want to show, and default values where appropriate. These settings can make the form much easier to complete and help reduce incomplete or unclear submissions. Once you've made your changes, save them. After that, connect the form to Jira Issues. Choose the issue type that should be created when someone submits the form, then map the form fields to the corresponding Jira fields. This step ensures the submitted information appears in the right place and keeps your project organized. Finally, click Share or Publish, copy the form link in Weifung and send it to the people who need to use it, whether that's team members or customers submitting requests. And that's how to use the form feature in Jira Work Management.